Hey guys, Dr. Stephanie here, and if you ever have neck stiffness, which I assume that most people have had it at some point in their life, because I know that a lot of times I wake up with a stiff neck from sleeping weird, or maybe I lifted too heavy of weights the day before, or maybe I just reached back and grabbed my purse weird. But I'm gonna give you 5 exercises that can really help reduce neck stiffness and improve your mobility. So these are things that even if you don't feel like your neck is stiff right now, you should start doing them every day to prevent neck stiffness or neck pain in the future. So we're gonna start with one that you can do. I'm gonna sit on the floor, but you can sit in a chair, you can stand and do this one. It's just called neck flexion to open pec stretch. So we're kind of moving in both directions here. So what you wanna do first is bring your chin towards your chest as far as you can, and then lift it up as far as you can and open up your arms like this. So kind of close those arms and look down, open up those arms and look up. And you wanna do this about 10 or 15 times. Nice and slow too, you don't wanna do any of this. Just slowly down, slowly up. And you can open up those arms as much as possible and then bring your chin down to your chest. Okay, for the second exercise, again, you don't have to be sitting on the floor. We're gonna do some neck diagonals. So a lot of people don't realize that they don't move their neck through its full range of motion. And that's really important to do to prevent stiffness and pain. So you wanna look down towards your armpit as far as you can, and then look up towards the ceiling, kind of moving at a diagonal. And then down, and then up. Make sure you go slow. Sometimes if people go fast, especially if they have a history of vertigo, you can kind of get a little dizzy, but if you go slow, you shouldn't feel that. So then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So look down, and then look up, look down, and look up. And you want to do about 10 or 15 on each side. You can do more if you want to as well, but I would start with 10 or 15. Okay, for the next exercise, we're gonna go on our hands and knees. And in this position, we're gonna do a chin tuck. So a chin tuck can be done in lots of positions. So if it hurts on your knees, you can do it sitting or standing if you want to, but you kind of want to almost make yourself have a double chin. So start with your head straight and then just kind of pull your head up towards the ceiling, making a double chin, and then relax. So up, down. And when you pull it up, I did that a little bit fast. You can do it fast, but it's also good to hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. So pulling it up like this and relax. So hold a couple seconds. All right, again, in this position, we're gonna do what's called thread the needle. So you're gonna take one hand and rotate it underneath the other arm as far as you can, bringing your head down to the floor, coming up, repeating on the opposite side. So you just want to alternate back and forth, again going nice and slow, and then doing it on this side. This one you want to do 10 to 15 on each side. And with the chin tucks as well, I would start with 10 to 15, then you can add on from there if you want to. So all of that kind of works on that mobility, getting our neck moving. It's also important to work on some strength. So we want to strengthen the muscles in our neck and strengthen the muscles of our shoulders and upper back. So we're gonna do one strengthening exercise today. So grab a long resistance band. You're gonna hold your arms straight out in front of you and just pull straight across your chest as far as you can, and then slowly bring your hands back together. So pull across and back together, across and back together. For this one, you want to do 2 to 3 sets of 10, really working on those muscles. This helps with your posture as well. And the stronger you are in your neck and upper back and shoulders, that kind of helps support your head. So it can help relieve headaches and help relieve neck pain and stiffness. So these are all things you can do. I would suggest doing them at least 3 times a week just to really work on that mobility and strength.